Hey everyone, welcome back to our DBMS series. Today we are going to create a database for a grocery store. The owner of the store wants us to help him run his business more smoothly. So we are going to make a database called Rajapaksha DB and show you how to design it using ER diagram. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to do is open MySQL Workbench on our PC. This is the tool we are going to use to create and manage our database. Once you open it, you will see a section called MySQL Connections. This is where you can connect to your database server. Go ahead and click on your connection name. Now that we are connected, let's create our Rajapaksha DB database using ER diagrams. This is a graphical way to represent the structure and relationships of our data. To start, we need to create a new model. You can do this by going to File and selecting New Model, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+N. This will open a new tab with a section called Physical Schemas. This is where we can define our database tables and columns. You will see a default schema called MyDB. Double click on it to open its properties. Here you can change the name of the schema to Rajapaksha DB and click Rename References to save the change. And that's it. We have created our database. Now let's move on to creating the tables and their columns. Alright, now let's make the customer table. First, you need to open a new diagram. Just double click on Add Diagram and you are good to go. Then look at the tool panel and find the table icon. It looks like this. Click on it and then click on the diagram panel. This will create a new table for you. It's called Table 1 by default, but we want to change that. So double click on the table and you will see a window pop up. This is where you can change the table name and add the columns you need. Let's type customer as the table name and hit enter. Now we can see the column section below. This is where we can add the details of our customers like their name, phone number, email, etc. You can see the information about each column on the screen. So let's start adding some columns for our customer table. Next, we need to make the product table. This is similar to the customer table. We just need to click on the table icon and then click on the diagram panel. This will give us a new table. Then we need to double click on it and change its name to product. After that, we need to add the columns for the product table. These are the details of the products like their name, product ID, etc. You can see the information about each column on the screen as well. Okay, now we have the brand table. This is the last table we need to create. We can do it the same way as the product table. We just need to click on the table icon and then click on the diagram panel. This will make a new table for us. Then we need to double click on it and change its name to brand. After that, we need to add the columns for the brand table. These are the details of the brands like their name, ID. You can see the information about each column on the screen too. And there you have it. We create database and table for the store. Now we have another problem. Let's see how we solve that problem. Let's look at our problem. Customers who come to this store can buy as many items as they like. The store owner says that all purchased items must be stored in a database with a record. So we have to design the database using ER diagram. To design the database for storing customers' purchases, we can use an ER diagram. So in our ER diagram, currently we have customer table and product table. To store all the purchased items, first we need to create a relationship in a customer table and product table because we need the customer and product details to store purchased item details. So let's look at relationships between the entities. Each customer can buy as many products they like. So it's one-to-many relationship and each product can have many customers. Same as before, it's one-to-many relationship. So product and customer table has many-to-many relationship. Let's draw this relationship using ER diagram. To do this, go to Tool panel and click in this icon and click on product table and customer table. Then you can see another table it create as customer has product. This table acts as bridge between the product and customer table, capturing the association between them. So in here we can store all purchased items. Let's rename table name like invoice or something, and that's it. Now we can store all purchased items in database with record. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll explore more exciting aspects of working with databases. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.